Hello, how to solve 5 power k equals k power 65. So we start by eliminating this k here. We multiply the exponent by 1 over k. So this is 5 power k. And this is raised to the power of 1 over k. And this equals k power 65. And this is raised to the power of 1 over k. Now, if you have a power x power y, this equals a power x times y. So from here, we have k times 1 over k, so this cancels out. We have 5, and this equals k power 6 to 5 multiplies 1. We have 6 to 5, and this is divided by k. So you can also eliminate this 6 to 5 here by multiplying this by 1 over 6 to 5. So we have 5 power 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 6 to 5 divided by k. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 6 to 5. So going by this same identity, let's cancel this. That means I have 5 power 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. So right now, the next step will be to ensure that this 5 and this 6 to 5 are the same, so that we can compare because we have k and k here. So what we are going to do will be to consider this trick. I can have 5 power 1 times 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. So from here, I can replace 1 with 5 over 5. 1 is the same thing as 5 over 5, so that I will have this and this to be the same. So I will simply have 5 power, this is 5 over 5, times 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. So let's multiply the numerator and the denominator of the exponent. So I have 5 to the power of 5 times 1. I have 5 divided by 5 times 6 to 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2. That's 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 1, that is 31. We have 3125. And this equals k power 1 over k. Now, I can also decide to factor out this 5 here. I can have 5 to the power of 5 times 1 divided by 3125. And this equals k power 1 over k. Remember, if you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of n. Applying this right here. So I'm simply going to have 5 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals k power 1 over k. So we need to find out the value of 5 power 5. So 5 to the power of 5 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And this is 5 times 5, 25 times 5. 1 to 5 times 5, 6 to 5 times 5. This is 3125. So we have been able to achieve the fact that a 5 power 5 is 3125. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals k power 1 over k. Now, if you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b. That means a equals b. So applying same here, that means we are going to have 1 divided by 3125 equals 1 divided by k. I can cross multiply k times 1. Have k equals 3125 times 1. That is 3125. So our k is 3125. Now the next step will be to check if this value of k will satisfy this equation. So we have verified. Remember, our k is 3125. I have 5 power k equals k power 625, and our k is 3125. So let's replace it here. We have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 power 625. So from here, I can have that 3125 is the same as 5 power 5. Remember, we have 5 power 3125 equals, this is 5 power 5. This is raised to the power of 625. So from here, I multiply this exponent. I have 5 power 3125 equals 5 power 5 times 625. Remember, 5 times 5 is 25. We have 5 and carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. They both are the same. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.